Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Auto Start Apps Windows 11. To start, enter that config in the search box. Click on System Configuration. After this, you are going to go to the Services tab. Here, check the box, Hide all Microsoft services. After that, click on Disable all, click Apply. Now in the Startup tab, click on Open Task Manager. In this new window, you are going to select the program that you do not want to start automatically and then click Disable. When you do this, again in System Settings, go to Services. Then, uncheck the Hide all Microsoft services box. Click on Apply, and when you click on OK, select Exit without restart. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.